How to create Instagram account. So first of all, you have to open your Instagram app, but make sure it's installed in your device. Once you have opened your Instagram application, you will get an interface like this. From here at the bottom, you will see create new account. You simply need to tap on it. After that, you will enter a page where it will ask for your mobile number. So you simply have to type your mobile number here. And if you don't want to give your mobile number on your Instagram account, then you can sign up with your email address. So I'm going to sign up my Instagram account with my email address. So simply type your email address over here. Once you have done that, now tap on next. After that, you will enter the page where it will ask for your confirmation code. And you have to type the code that had been sent to your Gmail account. So go to your Gmail account and now refresh your Gmail homepage. And then you will get an email from Instagram. Open it and then copy this number. And after that, go to this Instagram app and paste that number here. Once you have typed code, tap next. Now you have to create a password, so type your password over here. Make sure you create a strong password. Now tap on next. After that, it will ask to save your login info. You can simply skip it by tapping on Not Now. And you will be guided to a page where you need to set the date of your birth. Once you have set it, simply tap on the next button. And now you have to type your full name over here. Once you have entered your name, simply tap on Next. And then a username will be created automatically. If you want to create your own customized username, then simply click here and then type your username, and after that, tap on Next. And you will be guided to a page where you have to agree the Instagram terms and policy. You simply need to tap on I agree. And from here, you can add your Instagram profile picture. And if you don't want to add your profile picture right now, then you can simply tap on skip button. And now you have successfully created your Instagram account from scratch. Now you can simply skip the Facebook suggestion given over here. Now you will enter the page where it will ask you to share your profile with friends. You can simply skip it by tapping on skip. Once you have done that, simply follow the instruction of next page by following 5 random accounts. And as you can see, the Instagram account has been created and is ready to use. From here, you can explore Instagram, follow friends, customize your profile by adding bio and profile pictures. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next video.